My name is Bigimotik Cosplay, and I am cosplaying Princess Nike Lemercier from the anime World is Still Beautiful. This costume consists of detachable hair pieces, earrings, gloves, tabards, a stage transformation bodice, a cape, a 2-layer skirt, corset, chemise, and bloomers, multi-tiered petticoat, shoes, and a day dress. The wig has a braided headband, a pinned bun cover, as well as cut and styled bangs. The earrings were hand-pinned and linked together. Since we never see Nike's shoes for this outfit, I came up with a design when painting and accessorizing these shoes. A pair of dainty gloves with lace trim make for a nice touch. The cape is held in place with pins that were 3D modeled, printed, painted, before being decorated with rhinestones. The cape itself is a very delicate chiffon with rolled hems and over 400 rhinestones scattered randomly. The tabards are mounted on a belt and adorned with trim, heat transfer vinyl, and rhinestones in a design that is a mix from the anime and manga. For the skirt, 5 yards of dupioni sit atop 8 yards of charmeuse with a thick golden trim. The skirts are held aloft by a multi-tiered petticoat with cording, horsehair braid, and 40 yards of ribboned hemline. The bodice has 2 modes, performance and normal. For normal wear, hooks and eyes hold the bodice securely at the back seam. For the performance, a rigging allows me to split the seam in one movement. This is based on the Cinderella transformation rigging as seen on Broadway. To get in and out of the bodice on my own, there are snaps around the front. This includes the sparkling modesty panel that is covered in heat transfer vinyl and rhinestones, which covers the corset. The chemise and bloomers are made from 100% cotton, while the over-the-bust Victorian corset is made from a synthetic blend. Both fabrics were dyed to match despite needing 2 different formulas. The last component of this costume is the day dress with a costume change, which was also custom dyed. To change looks, remove the gloves, pop the clips, shed the cape, pull out the back seam rigging, toss the tabards, get rid of the bodice, step out of the skirts, pull up the dress, zip it up, and then let your hair loose. You own the world, but you've never looked at any of it. What a waste that is. The sun may be wonderful, Your Majesty, but can you live on that alone? I want to share your pain, so I want you to let me fight this time with you.